All right, it is fall weather in Chicago, which means it is fall weather cocktail time. So what do we have here? We have Chi Sparkling Green Apple right here, going to be a mixer. It's going to be delicious. We have Luxardo Cherries. We have Fee Brothers Walnut Bitters, always good for any kind of fall cocktail, especially whiskey based. We have here St. George Spice Pear Liqueur, also great for fall cocktails. I really like this in an old fashioned. We have some Knob Creek Smoked Maple. Little sweet for me, still has a nice flavor. We have some bourbon that I got, or whiskey actually, that's not a bourbon, that I got from my local grocery store. It was marked down to $5. So I took that and I mixed it with some apple wood, some hickory wood, some vanilla beans, and some cinnamon sticks. And I let it all sit there in a jar for about 2 weeks, and then I also smoked it, and so it should have some nice flavor as well. Back here in the corner, we have some smoked sweet paprika from Epic Spices here in Chicago. If you're in Chicago, get your spices from them. They're absolutely amazing. The best spices in Chicago. Anyway, back to this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add about 1.5 ounces of this cheap $5 whiskey, which should taste delicious now. I'm all about making a cheap whiskey taste delicious. 1.5 ounces of this, right in the cup. Boom, there we go. All right, now we're going to take 1/4 ounce of the St. George, because it's sweet, but it has a nice pear flavor, so you gotta go with it, right? So 1/4 ounce of this. Yeah, there you go. And 1/4 ounce of the Knob Creek Smoked Maple. Also a little sweet, but it added some nice flavor. So if you're keeping track so far, that was 1.5 ounces of regular whiskey, 1/2 ounce of these two together, and that's gonna be 2-ounce cocktail. Perfect. Real simple now. I love this black walnut bitters. I'm a huge fan of it. So I'm gonna add, I like all bitters really, so I'm gonna add 4 dashes of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, get that in there. A quick little sprinkling of this smoked paprika to add a nice little smoky flavor. Just a dash, there we go. Perfect. And then we're gonna drop in big ol' sipping ice cube, because that's important to have, right? 1 Luxardo Cherry, just because I like Luxardo cherries. Also, I love this old-timey rocks glass that I got. Found at my grandparents' house, actually. And it's pretty awesome. It's, you know, it's deep and it's old-timey. And a little bit of this sparkling green apple. Boom, just like that. Give it a stir. Beautiful. Taste it up. That is an amazing fall cocktail. Serve that at your party, sip it on your porch, whatever you want. Boom, here you guys go. Thank you, Chief Forest. Thank you, Knob Creek, St. George, and Luxardo, and whatever fake whiskey I have there.